Are you looking for creative ways to display your plants while adding style to your space? Plant shelves are a perfect solution. They not only provide a dedicated spot for your greenery, but also serve as a beautiful design element in any room. In this video, we'll explore different types of plant shelves that can transform your home into a lush green oasis. Floating shelves. Floating shelves are sleek and modern, perfect for a minimalist look. These shelves can be mounted on any wall, providing a clean, uncluttered appearance. Use floating shelves of varying lengths to create a dynamic display. Combine different plant sizes and types for visual interest, and incorporate decorative items like books or small sculptures. Corner shelves. Utilize the often overlooked corners of your rooms with corner shelves. These are ideal for small spaces where floor space is limited. Use multiple corner shelves stacked vertically to maximize space. Place trailing plants like pothos or ivy to cascade down the shelves. Ladder shelves. Ladder shelves are a trendy and versatile option. They can be leaned against a wall, providing a tiered display for your plants. Mix different heights of plants, placing taller ones on the bottom shelves and smaller ones on top. Wall-mounted planter shelves. Wall-mounted planter shelves combine the concept of a shelf with built-in planters, creating a seamless and integrated plant display. Position these shelves in a sunny spot to ensure your plants get enough light. Rustic wooden shelves. Rustic wooden shelves bring a natural, earthy feel to your space. They can be made from reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly option. Pair these shelves with terracotta pots for a rustic aesthetic. Geometric shelves. Geometric shelves add a modern and artistic touch to your plant display. These shelves come in various shapes like hexagons, triangles, and circles. Create a geometric gallery wall with shelves of different shapes and sizes. Bookshelf plant display. Transform an ordinary bookshelf into a lush plant display. This is a great way to repurpose existing furniture. Mix books and plants for a functional and decorative setup. Industrial pipe shelves. Industrial pipe shelves offer a unique, rugged look. They are typically made with metal pipes and wooden planks. Use metal planters to enhance the industrial theme. Window shelves. Maximize natural light for your plants by installing shelves directly in front of a window. Use transparent or wire shelves to avoid blocking the light. Tiered plant stand. A tiered plant stand is a freestanding option that provides multiple levels for displaying plants. It's perfect for patios or balconies. Hanging shelves. Hanging shelves are suspended from the ceiling or wall, creating a floating effect. They are ideal for small spaces where floor and wall space are limited. Built-in shelves. Built-in shelves offer a seamless and integrated look. They can be customized to fit any space, from living rooms to kitchens. Floating cube shelves. Floating cube shelves provide a modern, geometric look. They can be arranged in various configurations to create an interesting display. Glass shelves. Glass shelves offer a sleek and contemporary look. They are perfect for small plants and can create an illusion of more space. Vertical garden shelves. Vertical garden shelves allow you to create a living wall. They are perfect for maximizing space and creating a lush green statement piece. Pegboard shelves. Pegboard shelves offer flexibility and customization. You can rearrange the shelves and hooks to suit your needs. Bookshelf with plant. Incorporate plants into your existing bookshelf to create a green, cozy reading nook. Alternate books and plants to create balance. Modular shelving units. Modular shelving units offer versatility and can be configured in various ways. They are perfect for creating custom plant displays. Macrame hanging shelves. Macrame hanging shelves add a bohemian touch to your space. They are perfect for creating a relaxed, natural vibe. Repurposed furniture shelves. Give new life to old furniture by repurposing it into plant shelves. This is an eco-friendly and budget-friendly option. DIY crate shelves. Crate shelves are a rustic and versatile option. They can be arranged in various configurations to suit your space. Floating corner shelves. Floating corner shelves make use of unused corner space. They are perfect for small plants and decorative items. Understair shelves. Utilize the often unused space under the stairs with built-in shelves. This area can become a beautiful plant display. Hanging planter shelf. A hanging planter shelf is suspended from the ceiling and can hold multiple plants. It's perfect for creating a floating garden. Wall grid shelf. A wall grid shelf is a versatile and modern option. It can hold plants, photos, and other decorative items. Circular shelves. Circular shelves add a unique and artistic touch to your plant display. They can be wall-mounted or freestanding. Staggered wall shelves. Staggered wall shelves create a visually interesting display. They can be arranged in various patterns to suit your space. Window box shelves. Window box shelves are perfect for creating a mini garden indoors. They can be mounted directly in front of windows for maximum light. Acrylic shelves. Acrylic shelves offer a sleek and modern look. They are perfect for small plants and can create an illusion of more space. Tiered corner stand. A tiered corner stand is a freestanding option that maximizes corner space. It's perfect for creating a lush plant display in any room. Shelves with integrated lighting. Shelves with integrated lighting provide both functionality and style. They can highlight your plants and create a warm ambiance. Bamboo shelves. Bamboo shelves add a natural and eco-friendly touch to your plant display. They are lightweight and versatile. Freestanding shelving units. Freestanding shelving units offer flexibility and can be moved around as needed. They are perfect for renters or those who like to change their decor frequently. Hanging wall planters. Hanging wall planters create a floating effect and can be used in conjunction with shelves for a layered display. Built-in window shelves. Built-in window shelves maximize natural light and create a beautiful display area. They are perfect for sun-loving plants. With so many plant shelf ideas to choose from, there's something for every style and space. Whether you prefer modern floating shelves, rustic wooden designs, or space-saving corner shelves, the right setup can enhance both your plants and your home decor. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care and decor ideas. See you in the next one.